Welcome back. Time to bring in meteorologist Lindsay Riley with our weather impact forecast.
All right, Lindsay, we've got some changes on the way. When are we expecting them?
By this time tomorrow, it's going to be raining across the lower deserts and snow approaching the high country. So big changes over the next 24 hours. And you'll also notice them in terms of our temperatures. This is a look ahead to what we can expect for tomorrow afternoon. The rain moving into the lower deserts by the early afternoon. Snow chances starting to go up for the high country. Snow levels will begin at about 7,000 feet, but by Thursday they're dropping down to about 4,500 to 5,000 feet, which is on the lower side. So this is going to be a colder system, at least the second one on Thursday. Hour by hour Wednesday in Phoenix. We do start off dry early in the day, but if you plan on being out past noon tomorrow, be prepared for some rain, and rain could be steady at times. No severe storms expected tomorrow, but check out those temperatures. Hours spent in the 50s, so it's going to feel pretty chilly. Tomorrow in Flagstaff, we could start off briefly as rain, but as we approach sunset hours, we will be dropping down in the temperature department and see that transition over to snow. Same thing for up in Payson. We will change over to snow during the overnight there. And in Prescott, some rain showers. Temperatures there will be in the 40s by the mid-afternoon. Here's a closer look at that hour by hour. So as we get closer to about 4 p.m. or so tomorrow, you can see some of that rain already arriving in Phoenix. And then by dinner time, 6 p.m. or so, snow along the rim and out toward the White Mountains. That precip will continue to work northwards. This is 11 p.m. tomorrow. Then as we get into Thursday, Thursday's much colder. We could have a few thunderstorms over the lower deserts. Snow will continue up in the high country. In fact, you see the yellows and reds over the lower deserts. Thus, that thunderstorm chance. Snow heavy at times up in the high country. Highest snow totals for this storm will be over the rim and the White Mountains. Even though we are expecting some snow to happen in Flagstaff, snow chances will start to come to an end by Friday morning. So as far as snow totals are concerned, around Flagstaff area, Grand Canyon as well, 2 to 6 inches. That's above 6,000 feet. But in some of those upslope areas along the rim and the White Mountains, we could see as much as 10 inches of snow, and above 8,000 feet, eastern Arizona, over a foot of snow is expected. So the bullseye is actually going to be the White Mountains, and especially above 8,000 feet. That's where we're going to have the highest snow totals. As far as rain amounts, from the Four Peaks down through Gila County and even eastern Pinal County, some of those areas exceeding 1/2 of an inch. We're going to be in the 1/4 of an inch range here in the valley, but underneath one of those storms, we could pick up a quick additional 1/4 of an inch. So we could have a couple 1/2 inch rain totals even across the lower deserts. Our Flagstaff 7-day weather impact alert day for Thursday. That's the day we'll see the most snow and the most accumulation. We do clear out for the weekend. Here in the valley, rain chances Wednesday and Thursday, dry and sunny by Friday and the weekend. Tram.
All right, Lindsay, thank you.